5. Brian used a spreadsheet to record his credit card charges for the month. And here you see a little chart. It's a spreadsheet. It might remind you of something like Excel. It's a common program that's used. Brian used these following expressions to calculate his interest for that month's charges. So here's a calculation or an expression that Brian uses that equates to the spreadsheet we have above. So let's look at the spreadsheet a little bit. Spreadsheet is made up of rows, which are horizontal, and columns that are vertical. And where the two meet, we get these cells that are created. So if we're looking down below into this equation, we can see that it references B2, B3, B4, and B5, and these are the cell names. The cells are identified first by their column, the letter, and then the row, their number. So if we're looking to figure out what B2 is, we'd go to the column B, the row 2, and where they meet is the value that is equated to B2. So this is the gas charges for the month. And so instead of B2, we could put in 56.08 or $56.08. We do the same for B3. We see the column B, the row 3. This is the charges for the month for groceries. So B3 would be $36.72. You might want to take a minute and rewrite this equation by substituting in for each cell name the value that it's equivalent to. Your groups can now work on question 5. Question 5 references lesson 1.4. Please be very careful. Look for good quantitative information that contains specific information about the comparison, even though estimations may be used.